Hi everyone! In this video we will solve a quadratic with factoring and the square root property. Solve 25h squared plus 20h plus 4 equals negative 49. The first thing I see on the left side is that the first term and the last term are both perfect squares, which can kind of indicate that it might fall in the pattern of a perfect square. So let's go ahead and see if I square root the first and I square root the last, if I end up with a perfect square. So the square root of the first one is 5h, and the square root of the last one is 2. And then if I take the sign from the middle, a plus sign, and then if I double the product here is 2 times 5 is 10h, and then I double it, times it by 2, I get 20h. That matches the middle term. So this is a perfect square. So on the left side, we have 5h plus 2 quantity squared, and this equals negative 49. Now to isolate the variable, we can square root both sides to negate this squared on the outside, and a square root squared cancels out. So now the 5h plus 2 is outside of the parentheses, and we can continue isolating the variable. So then on the right side, we have the square root of negative 49. When we square root a negative number, and it's plus or minus, but if we have the square root of a negative number, this leads us to a non-real solution. Or we can use this symbol right here. Either way, that's our answer. And now we're all done.